Interview portion. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here now at Faith Resort at Boracay Island, Philippines. And right here, right now, we have a contingent from the land of Villamonte.
I have a cobra.
Yeah, he has a Cobra energy drink. And to prove the... by the way, what's your name?
My name is Bruce Lee.
Okay, his name is Bruce Lee. And how are you?
I am going to punch.
Ang mic mo.
I'm going to punch the battle and reach for the black cobra.
Wait. Okay, Black Cobra, battle,
Yeah, battle.
and battle. And with him is... Dali lang yun. Is Bruce Lee and sidekick. Sidekick. What's your name?
Nostradamus.
Nostradamus. And you are Notra Parma. Okay, so...
I want to
So,
camera.
okay.
Unata.
Una ta.
Unata.
Una to. Oh, girl, you clap your hand, clap. What you say?
According to my prediction,
What you predict?
I predict
You're a dick.
that your dick
It's fast.
fast.
With the Cobra.
You drink Cobra.
Cobra energy drink gives you great power, agility, and
25 pesos.
I can't remember anything.
So, amo tong aton
And
nga content.
temporary unconsciousness.
Okay, tapos ka na. Ang host naman. Amo to aton nga contingent from Villamonte, representing at the competition here at Boracay. Okay.
You, Nostradamus, you cannot hit the battle and get cut the cut.